Hey y'all, hey, what's going on? Thanks for clicking on the video today. So without further ado, let me tell y'all what's going on.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back.
So today, you all, we are involved in a collaboration that is titled Decorate a Lantern. And I know y'all probably saying, decorate a lantern? You got picture frames. I sure do. But anyway, the collaboration is Decorate a Lantern, hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And there are probably going to be some co-hosts, and I will leave them down in the description box, okay? So you guys, if you are new here, welcome. We're so happy to have you all here today. We thank you so much for supporting At Home with Lisa. And we want to welcome all of our new subscribers to the channel. And we also want to thank those who've been rocking with us from day one. So you all, this is what we're planning to do on Decorate a Lantern. Decorate a Lantern Summer Edition, you guys. So I have decided to use some Dollar Tree 8x10 frames to make a lantern. Generally what I do is I already have the lantern and I just decorate it. So today I'm going to be bringing you a DIY picture frame lantern, okay? I have never done this before, so let's put that disclaimer out there. I've never done this before. This is my first time. So I'm hoping and praying that everything turns out the way that I hope that it would. And also too, I got this from seeing someone on TikTok creating this. I can't remember her name, but at any rate, I did not use the frames that she did. She just used the basic frames, but I got the decorative ones because I wanted it to look a little bit nice, look a little like on the elegant and pricey side. But again, I got these frames from the Dollartree, as I am Shakita D says. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and right now, as you can see, I am taking them apart. I have taken the plastic off of all the frames, and I have a total of 5 frames. So what I'm going to do now is take the backing out, and I'm going to take the glass out as well too. And you know, I probably should have got those frames that the Dollar Tree have for certificates, but I got the regular picture frames. So we're gonna try at this. We're gonna see what happens. And if you are watching this video right now, that means it worked. So I hope it works because I'm excited about doing this lantern, this DIY lantern. And please don't forget to go over and say hi to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and all of the other people whom are participating in this collaboration. Just let them know, say, hey girl, hey. At Home with Lisa sent me over. Okay, we got one more. And then we can start putting it together. Now, I am going to be utilizing the hot glue. So that's how I am going to create this masterpiece. Okay, let's start with our first one. I've taken the glass out. Hot glue, y'all. Hot glue, hot glue, hot glue, hot glue. So I've taken the glass out, and I'm going to use the hot glue inside the frame. So just for extra holding. So once I stand my lantern up, it doesn't fall on me. I almost broke the frame, y'all, because I was trying to take those black handles out. Y'all be careful with your hot glue because some of these things get so hot. Okay. I'm just gonna place some glass in there. There it is. That's to secure it. When you're adding your glue, make sure you're doing a thin layer. Don't let it be so thick because you don't want your glass to bulge out. Okay, this is the second one. And again, I'm just adding hot glue just to give it a little bit more security, okay? So that's the second one. And I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them and I'll be back, okay? All right, love bugs. So I got all of my glass inside the frames. And one tip for you when you're using the hot glue gun to put the glass frames in there, let the glue cool down a little bit because you can break the glass on it, okay? All right, so I'm gonna use my first two, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the glue on this side of the frame. I don't want to use a lot, but I want to use enough to make sure that it's going to adhere to the other frame. So this is my second frame, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it here. Make sure that I measure them correctly. I get it lined up correctly, as you see. And I need to put my glue a little bit lower. Okay, I'm not gonna move on to the next one until I'm just absolutely positive it is adhering. And y'all, I should have just got the certificate frames because you're gonna be able to see the little black notches there. But I may come up with a solution. Not sure at this point. Okay, we're gonna go on to our third frame, you guys. And it's going to attach right there. I'm gonna make sure that these sort of black pieces are not in the way. Okay, so now I'm going to add my glue to this one. And doing this project, you really need a good hot glue gun. One that is going to get super, super hot. Okay, let's measure these. correctly. I hope I'm standing these upright, y'all. I hope I am standing these upright. I just wanted the decorative frame for this because I wanted it to look really nice. Okay, I'm gonna let this one hold on and stand for a while before I sit it up. This is what it's looking like so far. I don't want it to collapse. Let's see what's gonna happen, y'all. Ooh, she's there, she's there, she's there. I want to stand it up because I want to make sure that my frames are good. Okay, this is the fourth one. And the fourth one is going to go right here. So I'm gonna have to put glue on. I'm gonna put the glue on these two. Let me show you. I'm gonna put the glue here and I'm gonna put it here, okay? And I gotta turn it this way, you guys, so I can see what I'm doing. And again, I purchased a total of 5 frames. And that's that side. Okay, and now we're going to take this frame and measure it right, Lisa. And just press them together, just like so. Woo! Looky. I think one of them is not in. I think I got one inside and then the other one out. But this is what it's looking like, you guys. Woo! Okay. Okay, love bugs, we have our lantern together. This is what it's looking like. And this is why I purchased these, because of the little design around the frame part. But again, you probably just need to get the just the certificate frames that don't have like the little holders to be able to hold the glass in place, because you will see those. But I actually did need those to kind of hold the glass into place. And also too, if I were to do this again, which I'm probably are, if I were to do this again, I would buy more expensive frames. But this project in itself was very, very budget friendly. It was under $10. So I created a DIY lantern for under 10 bucks. So when I come back, guys, it will be with the reveal. I'm going ahead to decorate it, and the reveal is coming. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for sticking with me. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you can, and leave some comments down below, love bugs. Okay, love bugs, I am back with the review. You guys, as I was creating this DIY lantern, you guys, I was thinking that there is so much more I could do. My creative juices were just flowing. So I definitely will be back with some more DIY picture frame lanterns. I'm so excited to bring some more to you guys. But anyway, don't forget to go over and check out the Grace Life DIY home decor along with the other ladies whom have joined this collaboration. Again, I will have their information down in my description box. So please guys, don't forget to go down in my description box, and hopefully I can be able to put their names on the screen too before I edit this video. But anyway, let's get into this reveal. So this is an open lantern here. All you have to do is place your items that you want to include in the lantern. Just place them down and then just put the lantern over it, or just put things down into your lantern, because it has an open top and it has an open bottom as well too. So all I did was I just added a beaded garland, as you can see, with neutral tones, and I added a cute distressed natural tone vase along with a plant with a white container, and then I added this bow. This bow is something I already had. The planter I already had, and the beaded garland I had it as well too. So like I said, the only thing that I purchased for this DIY is the frames, and the frames came from the Dollar Tree. So each frame was $1.25, and I purchased 5 of them, which I should have purchased 6 because my goal was to put the topper up here, but I only had 5, so I was missing 1. So you can add a topper on there as well too. But this was very easy, you guys. It wasn't complicated at all. So I hope that I inspired someone to be able to try this easy DIY lantern using picture frames from the Dollar Tree. Well, all right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in on today. I appreciate your continued support. I also appreciate the thumbs up that you gave today. And also leave me comments down below to let me know what you thought about this Dollar Tree picture frame DIY lantern. I think it turned out pretty good, you guys, for my first time doing this. So like I said, I am going to put my hand on doing some more, but I'm probably going to get the certificate frames, and I'm going to get some that are a little bit more expensive because I want it to be able to hold throughout the duration. But I'm going to see how long this is going to last, see if it's going to fall apart. But I don't think it will, because like I said, I did go in with the hot glue to hold the glass in place as well as the frames. Well, all right, you all. Again, I'm going to say bye-bye. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, love bugs. Thank y'all so much.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.